In this video, I'm going to show you a reputation management system that will do three things. Number one is to collect more 5-star ratings. Number two is to gather feedback and notify your team when a service falls short. And number three is to give someone a chance who left a negative feedback an opportunity to give you a 5-star rating. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, this is the workflow that we're going to work with. It starts when someone is tagged with the review request tag or an opportunity is won. So say this is a demo pipeline and we have Leah Skywalker here. If you have done work for Leah and the work has been completed, what you can do is you just hold Leah's name here and then you can put into the won. Okay, just hold this and then put here and just let go. What that will happen is opportunity will be marked as won, and then we'll go to the next step, which is it will wait for 1 hour and then it will check if a positive review was left before. Say if Leah has worked with you before, she left a positive review, so nothing will happen because in Google Business Profile you can only give one review. On the flip side, if Leah has not given a positive review, it will send a review request in the form of an SMS. Contact first name. Thank you for choosing location name. We love to hear about your experience. It only takes 30 seconds, but your feedback can make a big impact on our business. Please click here. And then it has a trigger link. Okay, press stop to opt out. So when you send this to someone and they click this link, they will go to a funnel which looks something like this, where if they press 4 or 5 star, they will go to your Google Business Profile where they can rate you 4 or 5 star there. Okay, we'll talk about 1, 2 or 3 star later on. Now we go back here. Say when you send out an SMS and Leah didn't click, so you wait for 1 whole day and then it will check again whether the review link was clicked or not. If the review link was clicked, we will tag Leah with a review link clicked and we remove tag negative feedback. Okay, I'll explain this later and then it'll be done. However, if Leah did not click, and then you'll start the same process again. You'll send another SMS, which is a variation of the first SMS. Hello first name, we noticed you have missed our previous message. We will really appreciate your feedback on your recent visit to location name. So we already used custom values here. So you don't need to adjust anything on the SMS. You can just use it as it is. Or you can even use it for your client. Just plug it in. Okay, you send out this SMS and then you wait for 1 day. And then same thing, you check for a Google review link. If clicked, same thing here. And then it just goes on and on. You can basically I do it 3 times. I'll send an SMS 3 times, but you can actually duplicate it and just keep going on and on. Okay, so what happens if Leah is here and then she received this SMS, she clicks it, she goes here and she didn't like your service. She clicked 1 or 2 or 3. If she clicked 1, 2 or 3, this form will pop up where it has location name, values, or feedback. So again, you don't need to change your business name is already in here, so you don't need to make any changes. Basically it's asking for first name, asking for phone, and asking for the feedback. When Leah press this send feedback, after she fills in everything, this RM02 workflow will trigger. Reputation management form submitted. Leah will be added to this tag negative feedback, and then it will inform everyone in the sub account that someone has left a negative feedback. Okay, so contact first name, filled up negative feedback, and then this is the message. And then we'll send a SMS to Leah. Contact first name, thank you for your feedback, blah blah blah. Sorry to hear it wasn't up to your expectation, blah blah blah. Okay, and then we remove from workflow 1. So when someone fills up the form even though that person is inside here, they will be removed from RM01. So you don't have to worry about a person still getting another SMS. Another thing to note is, say we go back to Leah. Leah left a negative feedback, right? So this will trigger and she gets tagged with negative feedback. And then a month later, she comes back and we service her, and now she loves our service. Okay, so we tag her again. Opportunity 1. She'll come in here, wait 1 hour, and then she'll go through this workflow again. Check if positive review was left before. Obviously no. So we'll go over here, SMS her again, wait 1 day, and then she left an amazing 5-star rating. Okay, so the trigger link was clicked she clicked the Google review link. So then Leah will go here, she clicked it. Now we'll add review link clicked and remove tag negative feedback. So that is how you can offer a repeat customer another opportunity to give you a 5-star rating. So I hope you learned something today. This system is actually very simple to build. So I'll just show you right here what is included. You have 3 different tags: review request, review link click, negative feedback, and then trigger links and custom values. I put them together because one funnel, which is just a review request page, one form, which is a reputation management feedback form, 5 images, which is the 1 to 5 star on the funnel, and then 2 very simple workflows. So this is something you can build on your own, or if you don't want to build this, you can check out the link below. When you do get this reputation management snapshot from me, you will need to do just 2 things to get this to work. Basically, you just need to go to custom values. So you just need to key in number 1, put in the link for the reputation management funnel. Okay, just put in the link. This one is like a HighLevel link. Once you embed this into your domain, you can put it in here. And number 2 is put in your Google review link. Okay, you can get that by going to reputation management, and then this is a demo account, so I don't have it here. But once you press this, and then you can click your link here, save it, put it in here. Once you do that, all you need to do is put anyone or everyone that you have completed work for into the one, and then you're good to go. If you already have a Go HighLevel account, you can purchase it from me. Or if you're looking to start your HighLevel account or sales process account, use my affiliate link below and I'll give this to you for free. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.